Alrighty, Roadrunners, today we're going to be talking about how to register for our courses. Keep in mind in the previous video, we already talked about how to search and add our courses to our cart. So with that being said, we can go ahead and move forward. So now we're going to go and click My Academics. We're going to double check we're on the correct semester here, and we're going to see that our courses that we added are going to be on the left side here in our cart. Things to keep in mind, synchronous courses will be viewable in the calendar view on the right side here, but courses that are asynchronous are going to be shown under sections with no meeting time. All right, with that being said, if we want to register for each course individually, we can just click the register button right under each course, or if we want to register for each one altogether, we can just click register now. So once we click that, we're going to be prompted with an optional services box. And we're going to see that if we want to opt into them, all we have to do is click the little blank box and make sure there's a check mark. But if we don't want to opt in, just leave it blank. If you want to learn about each one, just click on the bolded blue link to learn more. With that being said, once you've added those services you want, just click Add Services. And after a brief loading period, everything should turn green under our courses. So now we can see everything has turned green. It says registered but not started, and we're going to see that's correct because it doesn't start until later in the month. So with that being said, if you have any more questions, you can request a completion coach at 909-389-339 or follow the QR code for more information. But other than that, have a great day and take care.